is made out of sand, silicate sand, sodium and potassium. This is a special sand that we have to import from France and Spain. In the night, by mixing sand, sodium, potassium, these minerals, they turn to clear, plain glass, no colors. Then all the other colors are made by melting different minerals oxides. So we use cobalt to make blue, we use copper to make green glass. The most famous color in Murano, this is the one. It is red. That is also the most expensive color. That is why, because we need the gold to make it. Can you believe it? The only way to make red glass is to use liquid gold of 24. Murano has 1,000 years of history. Murano was the first place in the world to start producing glass completely by hand. Nowadays, we are still following the same system working, so everything in here is still produced by hand, like in the olden times. We don't work a glass in here by mold, we don't use any mold, any machine, so every single piece for us is always considered unique, one of a kind. If you work in here, we don't produce Coca-Cola glasses. It takes lots of time to become a master. It takes usually from 10 to 15 years of apprenticeship to become a master. This is, one of the reasons that our teenagers in Murano, they don't want to start anymore this kind of job. Now it is a dying art. That's really a shame. Massimiliano, he started working glass when he was a teenager. He was just 14 years old when he started working glass. And now he's not 25 anymore. He's 49.
No.
And he learned how to work glass from his father. His father actually was, his father is retired since few years. He's retired, and he was a very famous and known glass master, specialized to make our typical Venetian chandeliers. Massimiliano, instead, he specialized to make flower vases, wine decanters, pitchers, and also small figurines. I did ask you before, is it your first time to Murano for you? First time. Thank you so much, Maestro. Grazie, thank you.